Today we are going to start lesson number 6, trigonometry. In 9th standard also you study or you learn some trigonometrical ratios. The trigonometrical ratios you learn in 9th standard are sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. So now let's revise that once again. Trigonometry is basically based on the right angle triangle, that is 90-degree angle. So unless and until the right angle triangle, that is one angle of the given triangle is not 90 degree, then we cannot use the trigonometrical ratio. So therefore consider now this triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree and angle C we consider theta. Now angle C is theta, therefore angle A is 90 minus theta. Remaining angle 90 minus theta. Now we are writing trigonometrical ratios for this given theta. C angle is theta, so we are writing all the trigonometrical ratio for angle C, that is theta. Sin theta, the ratio is opposite side upon hypotenuse side. Now for theta, opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So therefore ratio is AB upon AC. Cos theta, ratio is adjacent side upon hypotenuse side. Therefore adjacent side for theta is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Therefore ratio is BC upon AC. Tan theta, ratio is opposite side upon adjacent side. Now opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC. Therefore ratio is AB upon BC. These three ratio you have already learned in 9th standard. Now three more ratios are there. They are cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to, ratio is hypotenuse upon opposite. Hypotenuse is AC and opposite side of theta is AB. So AC upon AB. Next ratio, sec theta. Ratio is hypotenuse side upon adjacent side. Hypotenuse is AC, adjacent side is BC. Ratio is AC upon BC. And last ratio, cot theta is equal to adjacent side upon opposite side. Adjacent side is BC, opposite side is AB. Ratio is BC upon AB. So these are the 6 trigonometrical basic ratios. All the trigonometry is depending upon all these 6 ratios only. Now comparing these ratios, we are having this trigonometrical relation from the ratio given, that is cosec theta is equal to, now see the cosec theta ratio. Cosec theta ratio is AC upon AB. This ratio is exactly reverse of this sin theta, that is AB upon AC. Therefore the relation between cosec theta and sin theta is cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta, or sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Therefore sin theta multiplied by cosec theta is equal to 1. Similarly, from the ratio, sec theta is the inverse of cos theta. That is, cos theta is the inverse of sec theta. Therefore cos theta multiplied by sec theta is equal to 1. Similarly, the third relation, that is cot theta is inverse of tan theta, or tan theta is inverse of cot theta. Therefore their product tan theta multiplied by cot theta is equal to 1. So this relation we are using when we are solving the question, that is the proofs of trigonometry. So all of you learn this trigonometrical all 6 ratios very carefully, and this relation also. First you write down in your notebook in the ratios and this relation of trigonometry. Then one more relation is there. Observe the figure, that is triangle. Here A angle is 90 minus theta. Now for this A angle also we are writing the ratio sin theta, that is sin 90 minus theta. Our angle is A. Sin ratio is opposite side upon hypotenuse. For this 90 minus theta, opposite side is BC, hypotenuse is AC. Therefore the ratio BC upon AC. This for this tan 90 minus theta, sin ratio is coming BC upon AC. Our cos theta ratio is also BC upon AC. So the another next relation is sin 90 minus theta is equal to, ratio is BC upon AC, which is equal to cos theta. Therefore Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Similarly, the other ratios are cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. So all these trigonometrical relation and ratios we are using when we are solving the question prove the trigonometrical ratios. First, all of you write down this one and learn this all these ratios and the trigonometrical relations.
So brother, sisters, fathers, everyone.
Now student, write down this assignment number 1. These questions I had given on board. So please write down this question and you are completing assignment in your assignment notebook. I have already informed you to make a 100 pages long book for assignment. So in that book you are writing this assignment number 1 and these are the questions you are solving in assignment book.